Hi, Deadlocks here again, and today I have this night latch. This one's to go inside the house, which is interesting that it's got a actual keyway lock on the inside of the house, especially one with that many pins and everything like that, because who's locking people in the house? Oh, cool thing to note about these is some of the old ones did not have this bit at the side here. It was just the latch, and you could get a latching tool and latch it. Ones with these on, that's supposed to be pushed in when the door's closed, and it stops the bolt from being able to retract. Let's see if we can pick this open. There's a very unusual keyway on this one. I haven't picked it yet, so I don't know what is actually in there. Trying to not be in the way, but this is a bit of a big clumsy lock to pick up. Did actually look there? Yes, I did. Maybe a bit daft of us to try and unlock a lock that I hadn't locked yet. Does seem like the kind of thing I would do though. Mrs. Day is once again sitting in the background making some scarves for the homeless people and watching Downton Abbey. She's not being very talkative. I don't know what I'm doing there. I need to be on that side to stop the pins coming down. There we go. Open. But since I'm on with this one actually came in the same package. I kind of thought that they were a bit of a pair because the odd keyway is the same. It has a bit of an odd keyway. Key fits in both, but key doesn't work on this one. But since that one was nice and easy, might have a crack at this one too, see if we can get a twofer. Didn't feel any security pins in the last one. So far not feeling anything in the way of security pins in this one. And there we go, no security pins. That will be the one that will be on the outside of the house, and let's face it, that was just as easy. That's all from us. See you next time. To unlock it.
Which will totally throw off with fill-ins. They'll go and they'll touch it and they'll be like, no, can't open it. Fuck. Ooh, that's that annoying word. Jeez. It wasn't me, it was the naughty people.